To begin integrating your Workday account with Bindbee, first open the magic link. Click Allow and Continue. The first thing you'll need is the Integration System User ID password. To create this, navigate to your Workday account and look for the Create Integration System User option. Select your desired username and password, confirm the password, and click OK to finish the setup. To avoid the password expiring, you'll need to adjust the password rule. Search for Maintain Password Rules and add your ISU. Once added, click Done and enter the username and password you just created. Click Next before moving on to the next step. It's crucial to establish a security user to assign necessary permissions. Click on Integration System Security Group Unconstrained, input the name and click OK. Then provide the ISU you just created. Click OK, and then Done to continue. To access data, certain permissions are necessary. Start by searching for Maintain Permissions for Security Group. Choose the security group you just created and click OK. Now, you can begin adding the permissions one by one. If your requirement is simply to read the data, select Get Only. However, if you need to write back to Workday, opt for Get and Put. These are the minimum permissions required for a flawless sync of all models. After setting the permissions, click on OK. Please note, these permissions are not active yet. To activate them, search and navigate to Activate Pending Security Policy Changes. Please provide a comment in the designated field and then click OK. You can verify the permissions here. To confirm these permissions, click on Confirm. To authorize API calls from ISU, you need to change the policy in your dashboard. Search for Manage Authentication Policies, select the environment you are currently working in, and click on Edit. You will be required to create a new authentication rule set and include the security group we just created. In the Condition Name field, enter Credentials, or any other term of your preference. Next, navigate to the Allow Authentication tab, select Username and Password, and then click OK. After completing these steps, it's time to activate the changes. Search for Activate All Pending Authentication Policy Changes and click on Activate All Pending Authentication. Proceed to the policy changes, enter a comment, and click Continue. Confirm the changes, and then click on OK. To locate your Workday Web Service endpoint, search for Public Web Service. Among the search results, find Recruiting. From the menu on the right, select View WSDL. This will direct you to an XML page. Scroll to the bottom of this page to find your endpoint. Copy the details up to the CCX. Paste the copied information and click Next. You will be prompted to enter your tenant name. This can be found after the word Service in the same URL. After entering your tenant name, simply click Connect. As you can see, the connection is now successfully established.